Let's go now to our guest, Hani Abuagla, who's in Dubai. He's a senior market analyst at XTB. Welcome back to the program, Hani. Now, we're seeing stocks decline across the board. What's dragging markets down at the moment?
Okay, first, good morning, and thank you for having me today. I think the market is it's overreacting just a few days ago because of what happened in Venezuela, and especially the Dow Jones went up so high with some hope that the oil companies, they might be a big part in Venezuela oil, and also the infrastructure companies like Caterpillar and other companies, they might also join in, and that's why the market went up so high. The S&P 500, I think, with the new data that's coming from the US, that like fueling also that the Fed might cut the rate in the first quarter of this year, not in January definitely, but in the first quarter of this year. That's, I think, gives some hope for the stocks to go up after the market realized that we need a long time than what they think about Venezuela, and the infrastructure is not as they thought. I think the stocks went down.
Right, and we're also seeing precious metals retreating from recent record highs. Are investors simply shrugging off those geopolitical concerns that led to a rally in safe havens?
We have seen the rally with the geopolitical issues, I think, and then went back again. I think the drop in the precious metals, and especially silver, because of margin requirements. We have seen Shanghai yesterday, they raised the margin requirements to 18%, starting from 9th of January, and also limited the contracts to 7,000 contracts per session on that day itself. That's limiting the speculating on silver, let's at least. And then also the gold, I think it's still, yes, the fundamental is very strong for gold. Also China reporting that they increased their reserve almost by 30,000 ounce in the last month. That make them 14 months in a row they are trying to accumulate gold, reaching almost 1.35 million ounce reserve till today. I think with the move of Russia and China, they're trying to get away from dollar and trying to increase their gold reserve, becoming like almost top 7 now around the world. I think they will continue that in 2026, and the precious metal definitely they will increase with their strong fundamental in 2026. Silver might touch 100 level, and also gold easily. I think they will break the 5,000 level during the second half of this year.
Okay, Hani Abuagla in Dubai. We will have to leave it there for now. Thank you very much for joining us.